It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about Virgin Galactic, the ticker symbol for this stock, SPCE. Let's take a look here at an article from investors.com. The headliner reads, Virgin Galactic versus Blue Origin rivalry escalates, with Branson set to beat Bezos to space. This is just an interesting article here because we have Richard Branson, as many of you know, is the founder of Virgin Galactic, and he has this rivalry with Jeff Bezos. As most of you know, Jeff Bezos is the CEO of Amazon. So they have this kind of rivalry and this thing going where they're trying to outdo each other and get to space first. So let's jump right into it. Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin and Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic have downplayed competition against each other, but their rivalry has turned into an all-out battle of billionaire egos. SPCE stock soared after Virgin Galactic announced late Thursday that it would fly Branson aboard the first fully crewed flight of its Spaceship Two space plane on July 11th. The flight would come just 9 days before Bezos' first flight, which is scheduled for July 20th. It's also a key step toward beginning commercial flight service and generating revenue from space tourists. So just to break down that little bit that I read, this is craziness. We got billionaires battling each other literally to go to space. I mean, Branson is going to space just 9 days before Jeff Bezos. Talk about an ego trip. These guys are going at it. And then the next thing that I read, they're beginning commercial flight service. They're going to have freaking tourists in space. This is freaking amazing and incredible, people. Think about it. We just went through a worldwide pandemic where people couldn't even get on an airplane because, in order to prevent the spread, we had to be cautious as a people, everybody in the world. And right now, we're talking about tourists in space. Yes, tourists in space. So let's just keep going a little bit. So SPCE stock, Virgin Galactic shares leapt 23.4% to $53.31 in pre-market trading on the stock market today. Before Branson's announcement, SPCE stock had plunged more than 20% this week, but remains above its 50 and 200-day lines according to MarketSmith chart analysts. Amongst other space stocks, Astra Space rose 5.6% early Friday after gaining 4.45%. So definitely good things are happening here with space stock and every other stock that has to do with Virgin Galactic and just all of these outer space stocks. So right now this is an industry that is taking off. And then right here, let's take a look at this section that says Jeff Who. Virgin Galactic's earlier flight date is just the latest round of drama between the space billionaires. Blue Origin announced earlier Thursday that it would take Wally Funk, a Mercury 13 pilot, on its July 20th flight along Bezos, the billionaire founder of Amazon, and his brother. A mystery auction winner who paid $28 million for a ticket will also join the crew of the New Shepard rocket. Okay, let's just digest that again. A mystery auction winner just paid $28 million to go to space. When we think about this and we think about the tourists that are going to eventually go up into space one day, we're talking about an industry that is going to make billions upon billions of dollars, because I guarantee you, a flight to space, it isn't going to be like hopping on an airplane, people. This is going to be big time money. So there is big business in this. This is gigantic business. It is just beyond this earth, literally. Funk has waited 60 years to get to space. She was part of the Woman in Space program nicknamed Mercury 13, a privately funded venture in the 1960s that was cancelled before any of the female astronauts could reach space. The announcement was a positive step in righting a wrong after Funk was denied joining a NASA astronaut program 3 times, but it was also a dig at Virgin Galactic. Funk spent $200,000 on a ticket for a Virgin flight back in 2010. Virgin Galactic has maintained that it's not in a contest with other commercial space companies and is on its own timeline with a focus on safety. So basically, in my opinion, the safety is obviously the most important thing because nobody really wants to go to space without knowing that they can return back home, you know? So safety is definitely of the utmost concern. But just think about the things that this is doing. This this lady has waited 60 years to get to space. So all of this is creating the opportunity to fulfill dreams as well. This is really a beautiful thing that has happened. Let's take a look here at SPCE in terms of the day's chart. But before we continue with the video, just a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. So right now, currently, SPCE is trading for $49.36. For the day, it is up 14.80% currently. Of course, depending on when you see the video, this could be higher or lower. So at one point during the day, we actually had SPCE at around $56.17. It is retracing though, as you know, people are taking profits. But let's just keep in mind what has happened. This is from Google here. Right now, that's the price. This ticker is a little delayed sometimes. Up 15% on the day. Let's take a look at the course of the month though. Let's zoom out here. SPCE is up freaking 59.81% this month. Right there, people. This is big time. That is a huge profit and a huge gain for anyone that got in last month to SPCE. Just keep in mind what's happening with this stock. All of this talk about going to space is definitely pushing that stock price up. But what happens when those guys do go to space? And if the mission is successful, of course, the price could go out of this world. It could keep driving up. So definitely keep your eyes open. Keep it out there. Keep your eyes on the news. Keep your ears open. You never know what's going to happen with this stock. A lot of good positive momentum is gearing up here for Virgin Galactic. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section in regards to Virgin Galactic. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.